This is Just in Case of AmericaNewscape welcoming back Sarah Wisdom with Yuma County Library Happenings. Please lay a few pearls of library wisdom on us. Hello, Sarah.
I will do my best.
Okay.
Thank you so much for having me. Just a few items for this week before the Labor Day holiday. We wanted to remind people that we do have a book club on Goodreads. It's called the YCLD Book Club. We've been doing books since, May or June now, and we were hoping to reach out to all those people who used to attend our in-person book clubs at the different libraries. Of course, we have not been able to host those in quite a while, so we're really hoping that people will join us in a virtual format. This month, the book is The Suspicions of Mr. Witcher. And Mr. Witcher was a famous Victorian-era detective in England. And he was a real person, but he was actually the inspiration for later detectives such as Sherlock Holmes and Hercule Poirot. And this is a true crime novel. It happened in Victoria-era England. So I think it's a great lead into the month of October. Lots of murder and intrigue and mystery. So we really hope you'll jump online and join us for that. You can sign in through your Facebook account. You can sign up with your Gmail account. There's lots of ways to join. There's no charge. It's a public book club. Anybody can access it and participate. So we're looking forward to seeing more of you in the virtual world, that is.
So we'll find you via Facebook, right?
Yes, that would be one of several ways you could find us.
Well, we'll be there. Okay.
Great. All right. The next thing I wanted to let you know about is kind of our resource of the month that we're promoting, and it's called Opposing Viewpoints. Now, if you're a student, you might be familiar with this resource because what it does is provides a balanced viewpoint of current social issues. This database, what it does is compile full text articles, news clips, charts, maps, and basically gives you all the information you need. If you're a student, perhaps writing a paper to argue one side or the other. If you're in debate, it's an excellent resource for researching one side or the other. Me personally, just as a citizen, I love to look at it and look at the different viewpoints from some of our current issues. The really popular ones on there right now are activism, ownership of exotic animals, which of course has been this summer's conversation, thanks to Tiger King. And so topics like that are in the forefront of what's happening in our society, it gives you a very good balanced view. So you are really educating yourself and can have an informed conversation about what's happening. There's no charge to access it. You just need your library card and you have access to all of that content that I mentioned.
Cool.
Yes, and last but not least, Labor Day is coming up, as I mentioned, and we just want to let our patrons know that curbside service will not be available on Monday the 7th because we will be at home not laboring. I don't know why it's called Labor Day. I think it should be Unlabor Day or not Labor Day, but we will not be working on Monday. So we hope you all have a safe and happy holiday, and we will resume our services on Tuesday, September 8th.
Hey, we wish everybody at the library a happy holiday because it's well deserved.
Well, thank you.
This has been Just in Case and Sarah Wisdom with Yuma County Library Happenings. Additional info in this video's Read More is available. Thanks for joining us. Please remember to support your local librarians, and consider subscribing to this channel.